Is it a bag? Is it a vanity case? Is it a day or a night bag? Let's talk about one of the most coveted bag shapes of the season, the vanity case bag. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing 12 bags plus a cheeky handbags haul. So get yourself a cup of your favorite coffee or have some bubbles if you're on that mood, and let's get down to some handbag talk. We've seen the vanity case inspired handbags increasingly become popular ever since Loro Piana put their extra pocket handbag on the map. So I thought it would be a fun idea to have a little look at what the luxury and mid-luxury brands have to offer for us this season. Now before we get started, a little bit of fashion history fun facts. Vanity cases can be traced all the way back to ancient Egypt, with the first vanity case being said to have been found inside of a pharaoh's tomb. Initially an accessory that was particularly made for the menswear department, although quickly adopted by their female counterparts, the vanity case was born to serve as a travel holder of all things beauty. Perfume, body oil, hairbrushes, makeup, you get the gist. Somewhere along the line of history, the design got declined into an actual everyday handbag, in which hairbrushes got replaced by wallets, body oils by phones, and makeup got replaced by, well, we still need our lippies inside of our bags, don't we? The first model I'm going to be sharing with you today is the iconic Loro Piana Extra Pocket. Proposed in several colors every season to keep up with the trends, usually in calf grainy leather. It has a top handle as well as a removable shoulder strap, and when you pick an exotic leather for it, you actually get two straps to go along with it. One in full leather and another one in a combination of leather and a little chain shiny strap that will add that extra touch of glamour for an evening out. In regards to its hardware, silver, yellow gold, as well as rose gold are all available paired up with different colors, and its interior is mainly proposed in a buttery soft lambskin leather. This particular dark chocolate licorice color with a grainy calf leather and a rose gold hardware looks particularly lovely for this upcoming winter. As of today, it has an entry price point of 2,300 euros, which can go all the way up to about 19,000 euros when picked up in an exotic leather. Although as soon as it became popular, circa Sofia Richie's wedding, Loro Piana took a page from the Hermes marketing book, and the bag became almost impossible to source at a boutique, accompanied with annual price increases. I do have an unboxing video for this bag, so I will leave it linked up here for you in case you want to check it out after this one. Up next on position number 2, we've got this beauty, the Bottega Veneta, very well named vanity case bag. I mean, how else would we call her? Crafted in the gorgeous intrecciato leather technique and made out of calf skin both for the exterior as well as the interior of the bag, this soft leather bag comes with a little top handle for the ultimate ladylike wearer, as well as a shoulder strap that's long enough to be worn as a crossbody piece as well. Personally, I'm obsessed with the Barolo shade. There's something about this deep cherry red that I find so juicy and appealing. There's also the options of fondant as a shade, which is a very deep, rich, chocolatey brown, very in tune with this fall's color palette, as well as black and lighter shade options. On position number 3, we've got the Saint Laurent Gavi vanity bag. A unique shape for this one, they've created it with rounded edges that give it the ultimate timeless feel. In an almost 3D elongated oval shape, this vanity bag features gorgeous quilted leather, the renowned YSL yellow gold colored metal logo, as well as a removable and adjustable shoulder strap. Whether you choose to wear it held by its little top handle, crossbody, or lightly gracing your shoulder only on the one side, in black, green, or vintage white, this bag will for certain bring a touch of vintage Parisian chic to any look. Although if, like Emily, you feel like fleeting Paris and migrating to Rome, then Italian brand Max Mara will have you covered. They propose a full leather option that's quite small, but still helps you save up space with its inbuilt card holder feature. A double zip fastening system, top handle, removable strap. You'd think, what's so special about this one, despite its adorable look? Well, the cherry on top of this bag's cake, it's a little leather wrapped mirror in the interior. The perfect ode to the ultimate vanity case bag. On the 5th position of this list, we've got another brand that never fails to deliver a lovely vanity case bag. And yes, I'm talking about Chanel. Every season, we can see one declination or another of this handbags model proposed by Chanel. I found this pre-loved dark denim one with yellow gold hardware and a subtle CC logo on the front, sewn in the classic orange thread color that we typically would see in denim trousers. I think a piece like this easily serves the purpose of both vanity case or little clutch bag, so it's basically a 2-in-1. It's got a leather lining, and I personally found it to be a very versatile piece while still having that nonchalant, tote bag type of look. Now for position 6 and number 7, I'm gonna have a little cheeky unboxing with you. These are 2 new bags I just received from Oleada, and I haven't checked them out just yet, so we're gonna open them together. You might have caught me mention this one on my bags I want to get for autumn video that I filmed last summer. I do already have the summer version of this bag, which I've worn so incredibly much. So when I saw it being released in new shades for the colder months, I couldn't hold myself. Let me just quickly unwrap this and I'll be right back with you. Although the amount of wrapping that they put on their bags might be a nice little feature to mention regarding how well protected this handbags will arrive to you. Let's cut off that label because this baby is obviously staying with me. So pretty. I'm so excited, you guys. Right, so here we have my 2 new handbags for the autumn winter season. To be fair, this was the first one I saw for autumn. But then when I went to pick it, they had also released this other shade for fall. The model is called the Mini Anchor, and as all of Oleada's handbag, its design is inspired in an ocean's wave. This was the first detail that caught my eye and that quite frankly I adore about this handbag. Since having grown up by the seaside, anything that reminds me of the beach will always add a little spark of joy to my looks. For those of you that haven't heard me praise this handbag before, I came across Oleada at the beginning of this year and found it's a female-owned brand that caters to all workwear style of handbags. I do have another one of their larger models for when I need to carry my laptop. And then on the Mini Anchor model, you can easily fit a mini iPad, just for a little bit of reference of what will fit on it. All of the leather details are made from vegan leather that's upcycled from the food industry. How cool is that? The leather they create is also scratch resistant, and I can tell you, I've put my summer version of this bag up to the test. I've taken it to the beach since it's water resistant. It's been on airplanes, it's been on boats, up and down everywhere with me, and yet there's not one single scratch to the buttery soft Napa leather. So I can only expect the same durability for this too. When I find something that really works for me, I'm gonna get it in different colors, different materials, and just like I did with my Hermes Picotin, this bag was no exception. I've opted for the leather and fabric combination for both of these, and they also propose it in a full leather grainy finish option in ash, camel, cloud, and caviar options for the color ranges. The fabric part on this one is in an upcycled dog denim, which I think will look gorgeous styled against a dark denim pair of trousers that I ordered last week, and that should be here very, very soon. Deep brown lace-up booties, a necro roll neck, or a white tee if it's still a little bit warm, and I'd love to marry it with a leather jacket like this one right here. Something else that's worth noting about this denim is that it's been dyed using non-toxic dyes, and so once again, Oleada has delivered high quality on the materials as well as on the techniques chosen for the construction of their bags. They're a brand that keeps sustainability at the core of their production, and they even have a recycling program through which they'll give you points and rewards if you send them an old handbag. Back to my other bag. For days when I feel like doing a lighter palette or perhaps a more monochrome style of look, I opted for this one right here, in which the fabric option is a rustic type of linen. Handbags are one of those accessories that always inspire me to do styling, so you can definitely expect some styling videos coming up really, really soon. The hardware on the 2 I picked is in yellow gold. However, they do have some lovely silver hardware proposals as well, like this one right here, which I find absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, how many is too many? Because this baby does look stunning for deep winter. The most innovative part of this handbag has to be its strap proposal, which allows it to be worn in 4 different ways, basically giving you 4 handbags in one. There's the top handle, which is my preferred method of holding a handbag, be it a tote, a bucket, or in this case a vanity piece. I really think that there's something so utterly delicate about the gesture in the wrist, although realistically speaking, sometimes we do need a hands-free alternative, and so for that they've got me covered with a double set of straps, also proposed in their vegan food upcycle leather with the same kind of yellow gold hardware. You can either use the double strap and turn the handbag into a backpack, which will add a joyful young touch to any sort of look. Think playful schoolgirl meets refined lady for winter. That's the vibe I'm going for. Or you can also do one single strap and attach it right here to carry over your shoulder on a crossbody way, as well as my personal favorite, just hanging from one shoulder. This is when you can have fun fun because as you can see right here, the strap is adjustable. So depending on your height, the proportions of the look you're styling, and the overall aesthetic that you're after, you can regulate the height at which the bag will fall in your body. As I did last time, I have requested a discount code for you guys, which you might have seen popping in the screen here somewhere, but I'm going to voice it now for those of you that listen to these videos as little podcasts. It's simply Pia Oleada. It will get you 15% off, and it is available to use across all their website, including the latest fall winter releases. I already know I'm gonna get so much wear out of this too. And frankly speaking, I think I can make them work for all year round with my looks. Now I'm gonna put this to a side and let's continue with the list because we still have a couple of handbags to have a look at. Also from Chanel, if you're into the classics with a twist, for this season's autumn winter 24 releases, they've come up with red and black options for their sac boîte, the most similar version of a vanity case that we will be seeing during the colder months this season from Chanel. Lambskin quilted leather accompanied by gold yellow hardware, a little top leather handle, and the classic metal and leather chain strap. It's worth noting that on this occasion the chain is not removable. However, I think it adds an extra touch of rock and roll to the vibe, and it looks kind of cool worn as they showed it during the runway show, simply hanging down. Miu Miu has their proposal of the vanity bag as well, working the leather in their iconic wavy quilting style, which gives it a little bit of a whimsical appearance if you ask me. Very true to the brand's essence. The bag features yellow gold hardware, ultra soft Napa leather, a fixed top handle that also features the wavy quilted style of leather, and a detachable leather shoulder strap that's also adjustable to give it a little bit more versatility. This is the perfect vanity party bag in my opinion. Its shape is fun enough, and I can definitely see this one taken out in the city for a hands-free shopping day, as well as while dancing the night away with friends. Proposed in both black and white, this model is sure to add cool girl vibes to any look all year round. On position number 10, we've got a bag that, true to its travel companion roots, delivers a new vanity case bag on an almost seasonal basis. I'm talking about no other than Louis Vuitton. This Vanity PM is featured in a full leather option with an oversized embossed monogram for the ultimate discreet style. It features the classic yellow gold hardware of the brand, also brought to the iconic locket, as well as a travel bag with the dainty LV logo. My guess is you could take the tag in store and personalize it with your initials on the other side. They'll propose this service in most stores when you bring an original LV tag, free of charge, even if your bag is second-hand. If you're more into the in-your-face logo type of aesthetic, Louis Vuitton also proposes the classic monogrammed version of this bag in an array of different color combinations. On position number 11, we've got another bag that's also brought out the monogrammed version of this vanity case style of bag, Celine, with their vanity case mini model featuring the Triomphe logo all over its body, complete with a leather top handle and a removable as well as adjustable shoulder strap. A bag that I'm certain was developed with a fashionista in mind. With its 9 by 9.5 centimeter structure, you'll be able to carry cards, house keys, lippy, and a gloss. Okay, your AirPods might fit in there too. Perhaps they had a minimalist in mind. Brief for design in the bag, minimalist fashionista. Crowning this list on position number 12, I've got a bag by one of my fave contemporary designers. A bag so chic as its creator, Victoria Beckham, the Vanity Cube leather bag. It offers a classic, soft, slick vintage leather design to it, a detachable strap, and in spite of the fact that it's produced in Italy, features minimal, sober branding true to its English roots. Alright you guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to let me know which one was your favorite on the comments down below. And if you're not done watching, I'll leave you 2 more in here so you can binge a little bit more. See you on the next one. Bye!